Alright guys, so the first things first, I always put my wig cap on first, so that's what I'm wearing, and this is the wig I'm going to be using today. And I'm just going to remove the wig from the package the way it came. I'm going to remove it also from the hairnet that it comes in. It comes packaged in this hairnet so that it doesn't get tangled during the shipping process. So after removing the hairnet, I'm just going to also remove the tag that's on the wig, and the hairnet is very, very important, so you might want to put that up for later. I'm just going to take the tag off the wig so I can put it on. And I'm trying to show you guys the texture of the hair fresh out the pack. It's very soft, very nice, and it's not jet black, so that's kind of interesting. I'm going to just put the wig on basically, and before I do that, I like to kind of just lay my edges a little bit, and I do this using this new method that I've been using, which is laying it with the Gorilla Snot before I put my lace wigs on, and it works amazing. So if you guys haven't seen that video yet, you can go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna have the link down below in the description bar. So I'm just basically applying the gel and just brushing it into my roots. And then I'm just going to pull my cap back forward and just pull it back in place. You guys have seen this process before. If you haven't, as I said, the link will be down below in the description. So yeah, I'm just gonna move on to putting the wig on, and I do like the way it looks. Seeing it fresh out the pack without even looking at the picture, I thought it was a middle part. Not that I'm a fan of middle parts, but in the end I ended up having to switch it to a side part because it was actually a side part wig. When I realized that the flaps didn't sit properly, I just kind of shifted it to the side, and then I was like, yeah, this is how it's supposed to look. So I just shifted it to the side, and I'm just going to see how it lays, you know, clasp it in the back, make sure it's secure, and then just play with it a little bit until I pretty much like how it looks. I love the way it's layered. So right out the pack, that's something that I really liked, the fact that it was layered. So I just wanted to look good sitting on my head. So basically I'm just going to put some concealer on the roots to make it look a bit more natural, and there's a lot more that you can actually do to make the lace portion look natural, but it was my first time trying on this wig and I had no idea. I was just freestyling it, you know. So yeah, I did go ahead and put some concealer on my roots, so you can go ahead and do that. That's a cool trick if you're just putting on the wig for the first time, you know. But yeah, after doing that, I'm just gonna lightly comb through the hair and just tease it and play with it until it looks pretty much like what I want it to look. And yeah, I love the layers. They're very bouncy, very nice. So yeah, that's pretty much all I did.
Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I have new hair, so you guys know new hair means new video. So this video today is for this unit that I am rocking right now. This wig is super bomb, but let me just get into telling you guys about how bomb this hair is and giving you guys all the details on the hair. Alright, so I have some of the details on my phone, and I'm just gonna read it to you guys basically. So this wig is from Rebecca Fashion, which is like a store on AliExpress. The catalog is amazing, very wide variety of wigs to choose from. The wigs on the website are super affordable. Definitely if you are just starting out, you're new and you want to go over there, check it out guys. And she also sells hair bundles as well, so yeah, you can definitely check out the website. The link will be down below in the description bar. Now this particular wig is by a brand named Noble, and this is the tag that came with the wig, and the wig style is called Catherine and it's in the color number 4. So the name of this wig is the Rebecca Synthetic Hair Lace Front Wig Long Straight Ombre, but this is not an ombre. They have this in a straight color like this. They also have the ombre in gray, and they have the ombre in like a salmon color. Beautiful guys, please check out the website, you guys will see what I'm talking about. It's available in also blue, silver, and the color number 4, and also it's 24 inches, and it does deliver through DHL 3 to 5 working days, and also UPS 2 to 4 working days. Now delivery for me was super quick, even though it is coming from a good little distance away. If you're in Jamaica, it's quick enough. But I would recommend, you know, of course, if you want the wig, order it as soon as possible so it gets to you as soon as possible. But delivery was pretty nice. It was delivered in excellent condition. Now this wig is under $50. Under $50 guys. This wig is under $50 US, under $50. So that right there is what you call super affordable. The texture of the hair is very realistic. Like it feels like I straightened my hair or something. Like that's how it feels. It has a bit of a natural kind of feel to the texture. As you guys can see, it is layered, so I definitely love the fact that it's layered, and it's layered all the way down to the ends, guys. Look, let's see if I can show you. So this is how far down it goes. My boobs are right here and the wig ends right here, so a little bit below my boobs. And if I were to flip it to the back, this is how far down it goes. Let's see if I can show you guys. Alright, so it goes pretty far down. So it's kind of like a faux lace front type of deal going on. It is a lace front, however, it's not actual lace. And you guys will see it's not a free part. So this is definitely where the parting, the situation stops. You can part it elsewhere, but elsewhere you will find wefts. You won't find the lace. The lace is in the front right here, just like with a regular lace front wig. It feels nice and soft, and the texture is just, it's unbelievable how realistic the texture is, and the cut. This wig is like literally perfection right now. Literally perfection. I'm raking my fingers through since I got it because I just love how it feels, and I haven't gotten any oh, I got one. Okay, I got one shed hair. This is the first time I'm actually getting a hair. Yeah, I got one shed hair. Okay, no problem. Let me go through again and see if I get any. I got another one right here. Alright, if I go through one more time, then it really does shed, guys. Alright, I didn't get any more that time. Alright, I didn't get any more this time. So it doesn't shed like dramatically. Let's be honest though, like almost every wig sheds, but it's the degree of, you know, to which it sheds that is the problem. And I don't have a problem with this. And I'm talking about, you guys saw I took it right out the packet and just popped it onto my head. The only thing I did was put a bit of concealer on the parts. Honey, this part is like, look at that. You can't tell me this is not my hair right now. Look at that. Talk to me. Yeah guys, I don't know, I just love the unit. The length is everything, and I just love the wig, guys. I don't know what else to say. I'm just in love with this wig. Go ahead and check out the website. The link will be down below in the description bar, and if you head on over to the website, then you can definitely see all the other units that they have available. So head on over. It's very affordable, very beginner friendly, guys, so go ahead and check it out. And yeah, that's just what this video is about. I just wanted to come and show you guys this unit. Let me know what you think about the unit down below, and let me know down there as well if you would purchase this unit. Alright, definitely follow my social media sites if you guys want to keep up with how I style this, or how I wear it, how I rock it, them something there. Follow my Instagram, Snapchat, and also my Facebook page, and all those details will be down below in the description bar for you guys. Alright, so yes. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.